Imagine a world where American AI technology quickly reaches global markets. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, has outlined a vision to make this a reality. He recently urged the Trump administration to revise regulations on exporting artificial intelligence tech. Why? To help American businesses seize future opportunities in AI. Huang believes in accelerating the spread of American AI technology worldwide. He argues that the government's policies should support this goal. Nvidia's AI chips lead the market, particularly for companies like OpenAI. However, new restrictions prevent them from selling high-end products to China. Recently, the Biden administration proposed limitations based on qualification tiers for AI technology sales. Huang is uncertain how these new rules will shape the future. He insists that policies must evolve to reflect changes in global dynamics. Huang highlighted that China is a fierce competitor in technology, particularly with Huawei developing its own AI chips. China is right behind us, he stated, emphasizing the need to remain vigilant. During his Washington trip, Huang addressed critical policies that support domestic manufacturing. He emphasized the need for tariff policies that foster growth and enable local production. Nvidia collaborates with Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company but is increasingly focused on manufacturing in the U.S. At a White House event, Huang discussed the necessity of a robust energy policy to support AI growth. Without energy, we can't possibly have new growth industries, he pointed out. Nvidia's commitment to investing in AI infrastructure domestically could amount to $500 billion. In summary, Huang's push for AI export reforms aims to position American businesses effectively in a rapid tech landscape, emphasizing collaboration and forward-thinking energy policies. Stay informed about the developments in AI technology, and consider how these changes might affect industries. Subscribe for updates and to be part of this evolving conversation.